Okay, let's take a look at this desktop computer. This is a very old one. It has a CD-ROM drive. Doesn't even say DVD. A floppy drive. And let's see what we got here. Power supply. And some RAM. The one stick is 256 megabyte. The other one is 64, and the third one is, I think, a little bit less than 60. It's a weird combination, but for this system it's a lot. Got a sound card here on a PCI slot, and here are some ISA slots, and there is an old graphics card. I think that is good for MS-DOS. Might even play older games, MS-DOS games, but I was wondering, like, why choose the slowest port for a graphics card since it has an AGP slot. Yeah, so there's the graphics card and the sound card ports, and here's a CD drive and a floppy disk. It has a fan in here, but I don't have it plugged in right now. An internal speaker, yeah, and the CPU, I think it's a K6 2 processor. So this system should support a couple of operating systems, like Windows 3.11 will work, I think, Windows 98, 95, Windows ME, Millennium. Here, got some keyboard and mouse port, USB port. These are the older ports. I don't even know what they are. I think this is to connect to display, and this, I don't know. I have to figure that out. So I'm still learning computer stuff. I never had an old computer like that. Usually with the new computers, it's USB ports. It's basically for everything nowadays. It's tending to get USB-C. Yeah. I'll see what I can do with this computer. I might install MS-DOS to play MS-DOS games. Maybe install Windows 98 and put an AGP graphics card in the slot, and would probably be a good Windows 98 gaming PC too. Yeah, I have to put in more drives, optical drives here, to fill the hole. Yeah, it's a retro computer, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's start the computer. to delete to go into the BIOS setup. So let's get to, this is the BIOS from the computer. The date is 1999, so that might be the year this computer was made. Or so, yeah, probably when it was made. So I don't have any hard disks, no storage device installed yet, but there's some memory. 64, 130, it says on 384. Yeah. So the BIOS features. Chipset features. Some power management. Settings, I think. If you want to add a storage device. Yes, without saving, I'm going to exit this. And I think the CMOS battery is completely empty. I have to replace it, put a new one in, because there's a checksum error and defaults are loaded. That's an indication that the battery died. Yeah, insert system disk and press enter. I don't have a system disk yet, but hopefully I'll get MS-DOS, or maybe I'll do Windows 98. Yeah, for this computer, it has Pattern or IDE cables. And that means I need an IDE to SATA adapter to put in, preferably an SSD or even a hard disk drive. I need an adapter for that. I need an old hard drive with an IDE hard drive, an IDE connector. Yeah. So here, that's the chip, CPU type, AMD K6-2, 450 megahertz, I think. Yeah, that's the memory again. Floppy drive, or diskette drive, and the CD-ROM drive. Yeah, that's an old computer.